Hello, today I'm in Volvo V60. In this video I'll show you how to reset service light. In the beginning, let's insert the car key into the hole and press start stop engine button once to put the first ignition mode. Now focus on this button and this button. Firstly, let's press this button and hold it. And then you have to press start stop button and also hold it. Keep holding both of them. As you can see, this I button started to blink. After beep, you can release two buttons, start the car, and service info should be deleted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.